Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign up on Alibaba. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to download or install the Alibaba application on your mobile phone. Now, depending on the device that you use, you can download Alibaba on Google Play Store or App Store. Now, App Store is for the iPhone users and the Google Play Store is for the Android users. Currently using an Android phone, so I have to launch my Google Play Store. Now, in this search bar, all you need to do is to type in Alibaba and punch the magnifying lens at the bottom right corner of your screen and takes you here. So click on Alibaba and follow through the on-screen prompt to install. So you're going to see the install button, click on that and wait for the app to be installed. Now, after it has been installed successfully, the next thing you'll like to do is to now open the Alibaba application. Now, once you open the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up window. In the sign up window, you're going to be asked to log in using an existing account or to just sign up by creating an entirely new account. Now, the processes are different. There are different ways that you can sign up for Alibaba. You can sign up using email, you can sign up using Google, and you can also sign up using Facebook. Depending on the options that you find most comfortable, go ahead and click on any of the options and just follow through with the step-by-step processes involved in signing up on Alibaba. Now, I currently linked Alibaba to my Google by signing up using Google. I like to say that Google is the most efficient because it just directly creates an account for you. So once you just click on the Google icon, then you're going to be asked to enter the account that you want to sign up on. So once you click on the account, you will see that an account will be automatically created for you and your Google account is going to be synced into Alibaba and it's going to take you right into the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So that's pretty much the process. You can now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.